This video will demonstrate drying the desiccated coconut with our penetration machine. With the patented negative pressure design, can guarantee drying almost 100% evenly. No need trolley and tray, just put in and take out our materials batch by batch. First, we spread the fresh grated coconut evenly in the machine. The fresh coconut contains a lot of moisture and oil. Second, set drying temperature no higher than 60 Celsius degree. Avoid coconut color change. The hot and dry air flow will penetrate each piece of the desiccated coconut and take out moisture. After 7 hours drying, all the desiccated coconut have been totally dried. As you can see, already dried desiccated coconut remain bright white color and very good smell. It's the perfect drying method for both keeping top quality and high efficiency.